Hi everyone, here we've got Poco F3 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down a little and tap on Always on Display and the lock screen. As you can see in the lock screen settings section, on the very first position we've got sleep options, so let's tap on it, and here we've got some options from which we can choose. So we can set either 15 or 30 seconds, or 1, 2, 5 or 10 minutes. Right now we've got 1 minute applied because this option is obviously marked with, you can see this tick icon, and you can see also the blue color. So in order to change it, just tap on the option like to set. So I will pick, for example, 5 minutes, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Poco F3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.